Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove shortcut arrows from desktop icons. It's really simple and easy. This method will work on Windows 10, 11 and in any upcoming versions. What you need to do is click on the search bar and type regedit. When it shows the registry editor, click on it, click on yes. Now you can either manually go inside these folders, but I made it easy for you. You can simply copy and type this folder location from the video, and you need to paste it here by pressing the Ctrl plus V. Press enter and it will automatically select this folder name Explorer. Next, right click on it, new and key. It will create a new folder. You need to rename it as I do shell icons with S and I capital letters. Then on the right side, right click on it, click on new and string value. You need to put 29 as the name of the file. Double click on it and here you can put this value same as it is. Simply copy and paste it here. Click on OK, close this window and close this. After that you need to restart your computer and you will see your arrows has been completely removed. It will also work on any new shortcuts that you create. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove shortcut arrows from desktop icons. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.